Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to edit products page in WooCommerce in 2024. Your products page is where customers make the decision to buy. So having a visually appealing and well-organized page is crucial for your store success. So in this video, I'll show you how to customize everything from products example images to description and buttons and layout options, using both the default WooCommerce settings and additional plugins example like Elementor. So make sure to stick by and let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have full experience. First, you'll need to go and open a browser. For me here, I'm using Brave. For you, you can use how you want. Once you open it, go to the URL section, and all you need to do here is just type WooCommerce.com and hit the enter button. Of course, we will use WordPress to edit anything. So we'll use WordPress to edit anything. And for me, I'll open that basically on my local host. So make sure to log in into your WooCommerce account if you have an account. And if you don't have an account, go and create a new one. Very simple. And of course, to edit anything in like WooCommerce, we'll need WordPress and we'll need to install the plugin of WooCommerce. So to install any plugins, I'll use this local host for me, which I have WordPress on. And of course, you can simply go to this left panel, plugins, add new. So once you click on add new, you'll be taken to the plugins page. Here, you'll basically have to look for WooCommerce as an example. So you'll find this right here. Just go and click on it. And of course, read the description if you want, installation, frequently asked questions, the change logs, screenshots, and reviews. Basically, click on install now. You'll find an install now here instead of activate. Once it's installed, of course, you'll have to click on activate. For me, I'll not be able to activate this because of like this incompatibility issue. As you can see, compatible with the version of WordPress. So I don't have the same, or I have a bad like version of WordPress. So once basically for you activated, you'll be able to start editing here your WooCommerce site in WordPress. The same for if you want like more plugins that will help you editing stuff. Elementor is a good thing. So Elementor, just type here Elementor. As you can see, you'll find this Elementor website builder. Make sure to do the same installs. Of course, you can click on it and see the reviews and everything about this example. So screenshot. So as you can see, it's just some drag and drop option, which is very, very good and useful for creating like pages. And if you want to create or to edit your products page, this is actually very useful and good. So in here, once you have them both, you can simply now go to this left panel, click on pages. Of course, make sure to activate both WooCommerce and like Elementor. For me, let me just go and show you. I'll not be able to activate them. So even like Elementor is activated, as you can see, I'll not be able to run it because my PHP is outdated. And for WooCommerce, as an example, so where's WooCommerce, as you can see in here, I will not be able to activate this because of the incompatibility issue of the WordPress version. So yeah, make sure to simply just have your WordPress updated. So the latest version and PHP version as well. So you can simply use them both. So once you do so, you can go to this list panel, just click on pages example in there. And make sure to go to your products page. As an example, if you don't have a page, of course, you can always go and click on add a new page. And of course, you can name it your products page. So products page in here. And yeah, of course, you can publish it and start making all the edits. Once you publish it, of course, you will get your payment link in here. If you click on it, you'll be taken to that page where you can simply see how does anything look like. So if you change anything, click on it. Of course, you'll need to update, click on it, you'll find the changes in there. So yeah, so of course, if you have like WooCommerce installed, you can simply just go and connect your WooCommerce and start editing your products page from there right away. You can also edit with Elementor. You'll find instead of this, like Elementor isn't running because of PHP outdated in here, you'll find edit with Elementor. You can click on it and you'll be taken to another page where you can start editing with Elementor. For me, since I cannot show you like exactly what's going on, I'll just go and try to access an article which will help us understand more about this. For example, how to edit like the products page in WooCommerce. So WooCommerce example, hit the enter button. So yeah, I'll just go and click on those articles in here and read them out because as we said before, plugins are not working for me because of my PHP version and WordPress version. So we'll just go and access articles. So how to customize a WooCommerce products page. As you can see, some articles that will help you out. For example, you can, what is a WooCommerce product page? If you don't know, you can find here. Basically, if you want to customize, you can also go to the products. If you have any products, for example, on this left panel, you'll have just to go and click on it. And of course, you'll find this in the WooCommerce like this. For me, I sell, as an example, maybe I don't have any store, so I'll have to go and fill up a store, then click on continue and basically create a store first of all. And as you can see, you'll have to pay, but for me, I'm not going to. So make sure to go and have your WooCommerce ready store and then go to the products page that you want to edit and start basically doing the same in this article. So you can go to products, add whatever products you want. You can also set up the shipping, etc. So this is what it seems in this article. You can also here go to appearance, edit certain templates and choose one of the templates that they have that you can choose from and start editing as you can see. So I'm just going through that very fast for you. You can go to this article example and follow anything that you like in here, maybe how to change something. Because of course, going through it through this each line by line or picture by picture will take forever for this video. So I don't want to waste all that time. So example here, how to customize even the products page. You'll see in this example article, this small article example. So how to edit the site chart to WooCommerce, products recommendations, and change the color. Example of product title, they give you like some lines of code that you can implement. And here's example how to edit and customize your WooCommerce products pages example. So this article seems will help you out as well. So you can maybe add how to choose color, variations example if you want to add variations, and do a lot of other stuff on your product page. So basically how to edit it without any problems. Here 3 articles will help you a lot if you want to go and check them out. That, as we said, will help you a lot editing your products page in your WooCommerce. So that's basically going to be it for me today. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.